Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the proportion. Proportion is the comparison between two ratios like A ratio B ratio C ratio D. Or we can write A by B is equal to C by D. Or we can write AD is equal to BC. That is called the product of extreme. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. And this is also called the cross product rule. Cross product rule. So in this we have four numbers. If we have four numbers and then they are in proportion, we write A by B is equal to C by D. And if we have three numbers, in continuous proportion, A, B, C are in continued proportion, then we write A by B is equal to B by C. So let's do few sums or the example. Like if it is 6 ratio x ratio 2 ratio 3, find x. So there are so many methods. You can write 6 by x is equal to 2 by 3, x is equal to 6 into 3 by 2 is 9, or we can do 2x is equal to 18, x is equal to 9. That is called the product of mean is equal to product of extreme. Second sum is find third proportion, and numbers are given 9 and 15. Obviously when the two numbers are given and we have to find third proportion, so it will be 9, 15 and x. That means they are in continued proportion. So 9 by 15 is equal to 15 by x, that is 9x is equal to 15 into 15, x is equal to 15 into 15 by 9, that is equal to 25. Third sum, if x, 3, 12, y are in continued proportion, if they are in continued proportion, then how to find the x value? X by 3 is equal to 3 by 12 is equal to 12 by y. So very simple, we'll take these two first. So 12x is equal to 3 into 3, x is equal to 3 into 3 by 12, 4, it will be 3 by 4. And now we have to find y. So 3 by 12 is equal to, when we take these two, is equal to 12 by y. So 3y is equal to 12 into 12, y is equal to 12 into 12 by 3 by 4, 48. So it is simple, but only thing is that you should know how to find it. If we have, question is find mean proportion. Mean proportion is also of 81 and 25. Mean proportion is also when the three numbers are given. Mean proportion is also called B square is equal to AC. Like if it is A by B, B by C, from here we get B square is equal to AC. So third number will be x, that means 81 by 25 is equal to 25 by x. So it will be mean proportion will be, so mean proportion means 81 b and x. So b square is equal to 81 into 25, b is equal to 9 into 5 is equal to 40. Fifth, if 6 is the mean proportion between, this is important, 6 is mean proportion between x and y, and 48 is third number, find x and y. If mean proportion, that means xy is equal to 36 because b square is equal to a square, and x, y and 48. X by y is equal to y by 48, y square is equal to 48x. Now we can find the value from here. X is equal to 36 by y. So y square is equal to 36 by y into 48. Y cube is equal to 36 into 48. Y is equal to cube root of 36 into 48. So y will be equal to 12, right? Y is with us. Now y square is equal to 48 into x. So 12 square is equal to 48x. X is equal to 12 into 12 by 48. This will be 4 and this will be 3. So we have both the answers with us, 12 and 3. Another question is, when we get that, what should be added or subtracted? What should be added in 6, 15, 20 and 43 to make them proportional? What must be added? Let the number added be x. So it will be 6 plus x, 15 plus x, 20 plus x, 43 plus x. So cross multiplication, 6 plus x, 43 plus x, 15 plus x and 20 plus x. So it will be 6 3s are 18, 24, 25 plus 6x plus 43x plus x square, 300 plus 15x plus 20x plus x square. X is cancelled. 49x minus 35x is equal to 300 minus 258. 14x is equal to 42. X is equal to 3. Right? Another sum. So this is all for today.